from youduno. What's next? Oh, I want to say thank you for hitting the 30 subscribers. I know that might not be a big deal to some of you, but to us over here at youduno, what's next? Vinny personally wants to thank each and all of you. Thank you very much for hitting that like button, for sharing those videos, and for subscribing. Today is an exciting day for this guy. Today I was sitting around doing this right here like, oh, nice, man. The channel's doing so good. I'm getting so excited, but man, it's so boring. I can't wait till the weather starts. I want to get out back outside and do some more exploring for these guys down here, so you know what's next. Oh, we got some of them hitting up to 130. I got 147, 144. Oh, nice. I just traded some of these thumbtacks on the videos. You got mail at the front door. Your flashlight's here. The new flashlight is here today. I'm like, what? I cannot wait for this flashlight. As you guys know, I told you in the last video, I ordered it about a week and a half ago from the Wish app. Love that app. Fast, guaranteed, perfect. Couldn't complain less. So today we're gonna hopefully get it. It says it's at the front door. There's the front door right there. We're gonna go check in that mailbox and hopefully the flashlight's there. So let's go. Here we go. Outside, you guys can take a little look around. What? Want to go snowboarding? That's about as good as it's gonna get. All right, here's our mailbox. Now let's take a look. Ah, yeah, she's here, ladies and gentlemen. Look, ba-chow. Oh crap! Bam, back inside from the mailbox. Gonna do the unveiling now. Unboxing of the new flashlight, the one I mentioned last week in the video of the factory, because it was still too dark because we were using dollar store crap flashlights. Went online because we got such great reviews. Thank to you all. Thank you. Now we ordered this due to the nice reviews from the other video we just released with my daughter. We are now ordering headlamp plus this. We put a new rigged flashlight down on the friggin' pod. So now we're going to go back to Blue Ghost probably, get much better footage, find the other end. We're going to do a an old fort there down in Niagara on the Lake, not Fort George, another one. Going to keep it secret. And maybe do an overnight challenge there. There's supposed to be a lot of haunted footage. I found something out today too about an old building. There used to be a pizza place here. Supposedly it's massive haunted. It's abandoned right now. It's up for rent. We're going to see if we can talk to the landlord. Maybe get in there for an overnight challenge. Let's hope. Anyhow, right now, let's get back to what we were doing. Unpackaging the brand new flashlight. Here we go. Alright, we're back here with the flashlight set up on the table here. It's a little bit low to the ground. There's the other table out there for the kids to eat on. So we're using this little table. And we're going to be unboxing this here. It's kind of like where I lay out my gear and stuff in my room. Charge my batteries and such, a homemade base. I think we're going to feature this in an upcoming video of this versus objects. Alright, so here we go, we got the package. Gotta say, it's very well packaged. Take this here, be very careful when using these. Always use it if you're a non-adult, make sure you get an adult. Oh, I'm excited. I've been waiting like 9 days for this to get here. Alright, we have got it open. Oh, nice. Like I said, very well packaged. Oh, here she is. She's here. She even comes in a nice case. I've seen it online, but a lot of times you see it with a case and then it comes and there's no case. So far, I give the package 10 out of 10. Very well packaged. I got this here. This is solid. And you put this in your bag, you travel with, you don't have to worry about it getting crushed. It's got a rope, hook onto your bag. That's always good. It's got these clips here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You guys ready? Here we go. Oh, it's even nice and lined inside. It's got a wall charger. Brand new. Got open. Charge the battery. Not bad. Under the case. Velcro. Looks pretty heavy duty. It's got the belt strap. And there's the case empty. Now we got the flashlight. It's looking a lot like the one I have on the tripod that I bought in the store here. It was $10. This whole thing was $10. Here she is. Yeah, it's bigger than the one I have on the tripod. Much more. Seems very well built. It's got the zoom feature on it. So it zooms 2,000 times, so that's pretty far. The only one I have on the pod only goes 250. It's the company there that makes it. It's got the soft, grippy button on the back. It also comes with a hand tie and or backpack tie. Cracks open here. It's got a waterproof seal on it. I also have this in the bag, so if you want to run AAAs, when we go outside, we're going to put some lithium ions in this, because this comes with the wall charger. Comes with this here, a rechargeable battery for it. Must say, very well packaged. The battery is even protected in this hard plastic case. And we have our TR 800, 1800, 650, 4200 MRI 4.5 volt lithium ion. That's a nice battery. That goes with this. I imagine we just pull this up here. Write the instructions, make sure you put the right ends on the right side. You don't want to blow the drain your battery up. The charger's user friendly. Looks like it has. It's a little bit dusty there. I wonder if that's because the plastic's still on it, so it's not sitting on the rivets. It's got a little LED light there, probably goes red, goes green when the battery's full. This is probably dead. We're going to give that a full charge. And we're going to use this when we go outside. That's what you got. Comes in this little thing here as well. Has the flashlight, battery was in. Comes with instructions. There, that's what she's called. That's what we're going to be using on all our adventures. Headlight is also made by the same company. And she's a 10,000. And there she is right there. You guys can read that, I hope. I can't see the screen, so I'm going to have to hope this works. And then, that's what we're going to be running on our adventures now. I'm super excited. I want to say thank you to all you guys for supporting the channel, watching, subscribing, telling your friends to subscribe, and spreading the world for the local urban explorer, youduno what's next here in the Niagara region and surrounding areas. Hopefully going to do some Toronto subways, some Hamilton under the bridge there, and some old abandoned sewer system I've heard of. We're going to go check that out soon. The snow's going to clear up probably about Wednesday. We're going to get back out to the adventures. Until then, I'm trying to bring you guys something still to the channel to keep it flowing. So here we go. Today we got the new flashlight here from these guys. We're going to plug her in now. We're going to take her outside. We're going to see how bright she is. We're gonna give the package probably a 10 out of 10. She came in this with the light in the case, charger, backup thing if you want to run batteries, and a lithium-ion rechargeable. That's a 10 out of 10 right there. Also came in this well-checked thing. So this is a new flashlight. Right there, I want to say thanks to you guys. Please keep watching. Please keep supporting. Stay tuned. We're going to take this outside now. We're going to see how bright it is. It's about 1 o'clock here. It's super dark outside. Let's go see what it does. Alright, stay tuned. We're going now into the tool shed. So I keep my bunnies. I'll shut this door behind me. I'll shut the light off. Pitch dark. Can't see nothing. The first light we started recording with, right here. That's what we did the general hospital in. Then we upgraded to this today, adding this onto the pod myself. This is my second light. And the one on the camera, but I'm not going to turn that on. It won't make much of a difference. And the new light. Overpowers everything. So as you guys can see, I'm pretty sure next time we go, we will be able to see a lot more. Thanks to you guys for watching the videos, for subscribing to the channel, and allowing me to get the views, to allow my wife to convince her that getting better flashlights is better for all of us. Thank you all. Give you a quick view now with everything off. There goes the new one. One on the pod now. The old one on the pod. And back to pitch dark to the new one. So thanks guys, really appreciate the support. Hope you guys check out the review on the new flashlight. Hope to get outside, hope the snow stops soon. Holy, it's cold out here, it's making me like spit my words. Anyhow, like I said, hopefully the weather lifts, the snow stops, because the cold kills my batteries. It's hard to convince people to go out and film when it's like minus 25. And hoping to get back to the other side of Blue Ghost. Maybe try out the new flashlight on an overnight challenge in the morgue with the Ouija board. I don't know. What do you think? Thanks for watching.